So I dermaplaned my face, and then I put on this sheet mask. I was fine. Then yesterday I was washing my face, and then all down here it began to break out, all here, and a little bit over here, a little bit here, and then I have this one here. Let's see. Yeah. So no face makeup for me today. We are just doing the eyes. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed the little talking intro. Welcome to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux, or welcome back if you're a subscriber or a returner. Like I said earlier in the video, I had an allergic reaction to a product, and it caused me to have all these little micro dots, like micro pimples, all on my chin area on my face. And it was bad. Like, my face was on fire, and I take very good care of my skin. I know I have hyperpigmentation, but I still take care of my skin, and to have that happen was a horrible thing. I was like so upset. I was so upset. So I ended up throwing out all those face masks, extra sheet masks that I have. And somewhere back in college, I remember that I must have used this product before, that St. Ives product, and I remember faintly having an issue with it, but I only remembered after I got the allergic reaction to it. Now, it could have been an allergic reaction, which I think it was, or it could have been that I used at that time I was using the Soap and Glory face wash, and it has these little pink micro beads in it. You can watch my previous video on my skincare routine and how I helped my hyperpigmentation. I will link it somewhere on my forehead, and in that video you'll see me use that face wash, and that face wash, I think I was scrubbing too hard and it like made these little issues. So I don't know if it was that or allergic reaction, but I know I threw out all those masks. And this was my first day actually not wearing makeup to work. I always have on a full face of makeup, but you know, I had to let my skin heal. I felt like it was best that I did not put anything extra on my face. And my nails is all messed up. As you can see, I'm missing a nail. This was a Friday, and this was the day before I left to go on vacation. So yeah, my husband and I, we ended up going to Niagara Falls for our vacation that year. Our vacation that summer. So yeah, that's why all my nails is missing, and that's why I don't care. I'm pretty sure I lost that one somewhere on the bus because I could not find it anywhere. It was nowhere at work, and it was nowhere in my bag, nowhere at home. So it must have popped off on the bus. Well, it's trash now. But yeah, so I'm just doing a eyes only look today, and this one I tried to match to my shirt. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and I think that's all that I have to say. So yeah, I will be back at the end of the video. Enjoy. Alrighty, so this is the end. I'm just taking my little photos. You see all my dark spots, but I'm working on those. Those are going to be gone within a few months. And this is the finished eye look with some nice cute lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look, and always remember, if you haven't used the product before, make sure you do a skin test so that you don't break out on your face like I did. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video if you care. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.